Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman, and today we are talking about the tax credit for solar panels. Yes, very excited about this. So, the tax credit for solar panels. Say you're thinking about installing a commercial or residential solar system, and you heard there's a tax credit for solar panels. Yes, you're right, there is. And it is on a sliding scale, so it declines according to a schedule. And up until the end of last year, you could have gotten a 30% tax credit on the cost of a residential or commercial solar system that you install. Now it's 26%, and then looks like that's been extended now with some COVID relief that is going to pass, hopefully, and that will be through the end of 2022, and then it'll drop to 22% and then 10% for commercial solar systems. For residential, it's going to drop to 0 eventually. But let's focus on the positives here. Okay, so let's use an example. Let's say that you have a commercial building and you want to install a $50,000 commercial solar system on that building. Up until the end of last year, you could have gotten a 30% tax credit on that. It means that 30% of that cost of that system was going to be given to you as a tax credit. So 30% of $50,000 is $15,000. So if you are in the say you make $100,000 a year salary and you're in a 25% tax bracket, instead of paying $25,000 in taxes, you're only going to pay $10,000 because you're going to reduce your tax liability by that $15,000, the 30% of the $50,000 solar system that you install on your building. So below the video, I go into some details on the differences between some people are confused by a tax credit versus a tax deduction. They are both good in the sense that they will both reduce your tax liability, but a tax credit is more powerful. It has more bang for your buck than a tax deduction. So if you're a tax equity investor, you are probably attracted to the ITC because up until last year it was giving you 30%, now it's giving you 26%. 26% is still a big number that you can get, in addition to some other tax benefits that you can get from being a tax equity investor. So anyway, I know this is a lot to absorb, but below the video I go into more detail, and I am not, by the way, I am not a CPA, so talk to your CPA about any tax advice. This is not tax advice, but I am a solar insurance broker, and you should be able to deduct the cost of your insurance for a commercial solar system, which is nice. And so if you're curious and you're wondering about how to insure a large solar system that you're installing, feel free to schedule an appointment with me. I'd love to hear about it, and I'd love to see if I can help. And again, I hope this is helpful. Thanks again, good luck, and Happy New Year. Have a great day.